Hello viewers, how are you all? I'm fine, thanks not for asking me. I'm always fine actually. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the template, my safe template. One of my brother doing Forex, he was keep telling me about my safe template. So if you're new about how to set the template or something, then you can watch this video. At the end of this video, I would like to add some trade entry, which actually I used to trade. And if you just follow that type of trade, it will take 90 days to quit your job. Okay, so at the end of the day I will add my entries. I'll try to add 1 or 2 entry, and this gonna build your confidence that you can also earn money from this trading consistently, and it will be help you, it will help you to be more confident. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, you can give me subscribe me, and if you would like to learn all of these things, you have to stay with me for sometimes, then you will start to learn these things, and it's very easy, trust me guys, it's very easy. So let's go to the video. I don't want to waste more time for the introduction. Let's go. So first thing is first, I would like to show you how to make the template. Okay, so this is the line I marked it, and I would like to save a template. I would like to show you how to save the template first. Okay, if you just select this one and go to the settings over there, you have to write, if you go to the style, and then you can change the color, this color, and then you can change the line, that dash line, dotted line, or the clean line, whatever you can, change the line as well. If you look up over here, it will be changed. Okay, look over here, it has changed. So it's up to you, how do you change the line style or color, it depends on you. And if you just make it arrow, then you'll see it, there will be arrow. So all of these things, and this is the normal. Okay, so this is the thing. First you will just change the style, and then you will go to the text and you will write it down what template you would like to mark this one as well. Okay, so if you just mark it, you would like to mark this line as your order block, and you will just write it down here, order block, and if I'll just copy this one. Okay, so I'll copy, and if you change the system where the text will be, where you will put this text over here, you can change from here. If you put the top, you will see the text will be uh, above this line, or if you put bottom, it will go to the bottom. I love the middle and to the right. Okay, so you also change the position, left, center, and right. So you can change all of these things from here, and you can change the font color. If you just change it from here, it will be easier. Then the bold, if you mark the bold, then the text will be bold. And the size, whatever size you need, you can mark from here. This is the italic form. There is a curve, you see the text has curved. So, and if it is not selected over there, you have to select the text so that you can do it over here. Okay, and then you have to go to the template and mark the save as, and I'm just gonna paste it, and I have pasted it over there. If you just put the save, it will be saved. Okay, I'm just put it save, then later I will delete it. So I have just marked it as water blocker. So next time when I will just mark a line, and I will right click on that line, you will see the template, and you will find for the thing you have just marked, see water block. So if you just marked it water block, it will appear over there like you have saved. And if you'd like to delete that, whatever you saved over there, if you'd like to delete that, just press the cross button, and yes, so that will be deleted from the template. Okay, now I will go one by one about my template. So first thing first, I will go to the Fibonacci. In Fibonacci, actually I have 2 templates saved. One is 50% and another one is normal. Okay, I'll just mark the 50%. So this is the template I have marked as 50%. If you go to the settings, you can see actually I have marked this one, extended lines to the right. So when I will mark it, it will extend it to my right. Okay, and the next thing is I have marked three what to say, 0, 1 and 0.5. Okay, so this line is 0 line, this line is 1, and this is 0.5. That means whenever I just use this fib and I marked it as 50%, so it will appear to my chart like this way, so that I can mark the consequent encroachment of any level. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the another Fibonacci set is normal. I have marked it like the normal, and if I go to the settings of the normal fib, you can see extended right, 0, 0.62, 1. I mean all of this level. I have just marked all of this level for this fib settings. Okay, and you also change the color from the right side. Over here you can change the color from here. So this is the two thing of my fib. When you will save as a template, you can go to the visibility. So whatever time frame you will select from here, so and then this will appear on that specific time. Okay, so if you just tick this on uncheck, so, and you go to the weekly chart, then mark it as your level, then it won't be appeared in that time frame. Okay, so you will understand if you just go through them, then you will understand. So I've shown you the fib. Now I will go to the the rectangle. Okay, so this is the rectangle, and I have used some fib, some template over here. I have 5 minute. If I mark this, it is 5 minute fair. And if I go another, and all I have is 5 minute fair value gap. I used the color over here. Then I have 15 minute. I have just used this color. Then I have actually the hourly, I think. Okay, I have daily fair value gap, and you can see from here actually I have what I have a lot of things. Okay, volume imbalance. Then this one also. This is the regular trading hour. So sometimes I need this rectangle as well for the regular trading hour. It's I don't use this one that much, but sometimes I use this one. Okay, then I have a opening gap like this. I have order block. Sometimes I need this order block. If I would like to mark a range, then I use this rectangle box for my order block. Then I have mitigation block as well, and then hourly fair value gap. I have fair value gap or institutional order flow entry drill, like that way. Then lastly, and rest I have already shown you over there. So this is for the rectangle, and then I would like to go for this one. I have some horizontal ray template, shape template. If you go over here, I have buy side liquidity, and it has the green color, and there is, you can see the text over there. It's called buy side liquidity. Then I have the sell side liquidity, and it's red, and as sell side always stay below, so that's why I put the text below the line of that horizontal ray. And then I have opening gap high. This is for using opening gap, and if I have two level, then I actually do the same thing. I mark the opening gap high, and then I manually change it as opening gap low. Okay, and L, I just do this like that way, so it should be L. So opening gap high and opening gap low. Then I have new day opening gap. I do the same thing over the new day opening gap. I mark two horizontal ray, and I mark them as new day opening gap. Okay, then I have New York open. Sometimes I need this line as well, so I marked it as New York open. So that's all for the horizontal ray. And last thing is the normal line. Okay, so this is the trend line. So I will go with the trend line now. If you see, there's so many things, like I have this sell side liquidity. So whenever I saw market has taken the sell side, or the buy side liquidity, I marked it like that way. And then I have first partial, something like that. If I need to mark some level where I will take my partial, I marked it, and I use a trend line and I just use my template as first partial. Then I have the buy side liquidity. If I need to use the trend line instead of the horizontal ray, then I have also marked it as my buy side liquidity. I have also marked the sell side liquidity for the trend line for my template. Then I have consequent encroachment with the dotted line. So actually now TradingView has made the fair value gap, the rectangle box with with a, you can see the consequent encroachment. So it's gonna be very easier for everybody. We don't need to mark the consequent encroachment anymore. So what you have to do, you have to go to the settings and go to the style and see this box. If you just mark it, give you a tick, then you will see the line will appear over there. Okay, so that's the thing. And then I have instruction order flow entity. Sometimes I marked with my trend line for instruction order flow entity, so I have actually used this template. Then I have measuring gap. Rarely I have used this measuring gap. Okay. Then I have market structure shift, and I put it in the middle. Like if when you saw liquidity taken, I put the symbol in the middle, and I put the market structure shift in the middle. Then I have mean threshold. The consequent. The 50% of the order block, which is called mean threshold. So I have also used this one, and it's very easier for me when I am on the market. I don't need to write it down again and again. Instead of that, I just use a trend line, and then I use my template. Okay. Then I have the order block, and then I have PM session high and PM session low, as you see over here. This PM session high and this PM session low. Sometimes when I saw no liquidity, in that case I need this PM session high and low. So I have I have just saved these two as well. Then I have SMT. Sometimes SMT, when I was used to use this SMT so much time, so I marked this SMT and I put it above the line. You can see over there. Last thing is want to say unfilled. Okay, sometimes I actually mark. If you see my execution, you already know that sometimes I mark some fair value gap which should be unfilled, and I use this one. Okay, so I think that's all for my template. So at the beginning of this video, I told you that I will add some entry setup so that will be, you will be confident about quitting your job. So I'm gonna add them at the end of this video. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and share my link so that new people can know about my channel. So happy days, be safe guys, see you tomorrow again, bye bye.